In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find all your liked posts, videos, reels and photos on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Facebook app on an iPhone or on an Android and then head over to menu. On menu, we need to tap at that gear to go to settings and privacy. And here we need to scroll down all the way until just under your activity, you'll find activity log. Here at the very top, we can easily find your Facebook activity. Just tap on it to expand it. After that, tap at comments and reactions. And here, get into likes and reactions. And that's where we can easily find every single like we made on Facebook. This list includes likes to photos, videos, and reels. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.